Right lads, welcome back to another Machine Monday. Monday Machines, what is it? Machine Mondays. Right boys, this time how long? I just forgot again. Welcome back to another Machine Monday. These videos are kind of left open a bit, you know, we can do different things with them. It can be reviews, walk-arounds, short runs or tutorials, or kind of whatever fits. So today I'm going to do a video that might be for some of our younger viewers, or people that are going from, say, a farm quad to a race quad, or if they're just going from a race quad that has no clutch, or, you know, like an automatic, to one that has a clutch. Alright, so it's going to be basically a quick tutorial today of how to change gears and how it's going to work when you go up into them bigger race quads that you see on your TikTok videos and whatnot, the Hondas, Suzuki's, Banshee, you know, Predators. Quickly we run through. Obviously, key, on and off switch, start switch, lights, throttle, front brake. Now normally if you're in a farm quad you would have a rear brake here, but this on the race quad is our clutch, right? So this is our clutch, and then our back brake is down here at our foot, our right foot, and left foot is our gear selector. So we have first gear's down and then it's 4 up. So 1 gear down, 4 up, and then neutral then is when you go into first gear. You have to go into first gear and then you have to half a click up. So I'll try to do that for you in the video. Sometimes neutral can be hard to get into, but anyway, so if you can listen here, that's first gear, right? So we're in gear there now, clutch is out so I can't roll. Neutral is half a click up, that's neutral, right? So we can roll here now, alright? So that's us in neutral. On to run, key on, start up. Alright, so first gear is going to be down. Kick down. Now the important part now is that we're going to let out the clutch slowly and give her a little bit of revs, right? So a little bit of revs. As you hear me in videos, I give her wee dabs, kind of. So we'll let out the clutch slowly and a bit of revs. We'll do that again. Let out the clutch slowly. Alright, and we'll look at the throttle this time. Clutch is going out slowly. So while we're driving now, we're just using our thumb. To change gear, you have to pull in the clutch and pick up the selector. So I'm going to pull up. Same again. Get in through this muck here. Clutch in, foot up. Same for going back down, pull the clutch in, put the foot down. Clutch in, foot down. Right, so we're in first gear again, starting off. So see how I'm letting that out there? So while I'm letting that out, you could let it out and she'd nearly pull herself along. But she's kind of struggling there. Alright, you can do it, but you shouldn't. You should give her a wee bit of throttle as well. So clutch in, out slowly, bit of revs, and while we're driving, clutch in, kick up, let out slowly. Clutch in, up, and you keep doing that until you're up to 5th gear. Slowing down again then. Clutch in, press down. Clutch in, press down. And it's that simple. Right guys, so that was a quick, I got some sheep shit on my plastics. Right guys, quick wee kind of tutorial there, so hopefully this helps one person. So it's just using the clutch when you're on a race quad, alright? Obviously main points again, pull the clutch in, down is first, really slow out and bit of throttle, and as we're going up then we're going to pull in the clutch again, kick up into second gear and go on ahead in second gear, and then for third gear it's the same thing, pull in and lift up your foot. So if you liked the video, if you thought it was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, Mondays we have this Machine Mondays, or Monday Machines, whatever you want to call it, and then on Thursday then we have more of a bigger video then, or a main video. So thanks for watching.